Welcome to Real Talk for Men Relaxation. Sometimes life gets in the way and we can forget that our success and our abundance is our birthright, it's our path, and it's our destiny. We're here to enjoy, receive, participate, and contribute to this life. You're no exception. Take the time now to realign yourself with your success and your abundance. No matter what's been going on, you have the capability to recalibrate. Find a comfortable place. Sit down, lie down, recline back, whatever feels good to you. If you'd like to make some notes and do some journaling while you're listening to this, that's completely fine too. Make some notes to yourself. Whatever works, whatever you need, this time is for you. Thank you for taking the time to step away from distractions and give some attention back to yourself. Take a deep breath and exhale it out. Any frustrations, interruptions, and distractions, they don't get your attention now. Right now, you're stepping into a space of clarity, power, and ease. Push the reset button. Restart your system. Realign with the success, wealth, and abundance that's already in front of you. Life can move pretty fast. Responsibilities pile up. Distractions are everywhere. We live in a very distracted world. The truth is, beyond all of that noise, everything is already within reach. All you have to do is stop chasing it and start to align with it. In this moment, that's exactly what you're doing. Let go of your struggles. Let go of your doubt. Step into a space of complete alignment where success flows effortlessly toward you. Let go of struggle. Let go of doubt. You are stepping into a space of complete alignment where success flows effortlessly toward you. Take another deep breath. Let the air fill your lungs, expand your chest. Pay attention to how it feels to take a deep breath. Once your lungs are full, just hold it for a moment. Feel the pressure of full lungs. Feel that in your chest. And then exhale slowly. Let any resistance or tension, any thoughts that tell you that success is difficult or far away, just let all that go. With every inhale, imagine yourself drawing in power, certainty, abundance. And then exhale out doubt, scarcity, or fear. Breathe for a moment and just feel the power coming in and the fear going out. Feel your forehead relax as you breathe. Check in with your forehead, your jaw, your shoulders, your neck. Where are you holding tension or stress? When you notice it, breathe into it and let it out with your breath. You don't have to force anything right now. Everything is aligning for you. All you need to do is let go of what's in the way. Your arms and hands are steady and capable. Open up your hands and reach out, ready to receive. Set the intention that you are ready to receive. Feel energy coming into your hands. Feel your chest open. Breathe deeply and strong. Your body can rest and be at ease. The success that you're looking for is already here. All you need to do is allow it. Let's visualize standing at the doorway of your future. Picture a doorway. Picture an abundant doorway. What does that look like to you? Is it a castle, a majestic mansion, a log cabin in the forest? Maybe just the door to a very simple home that has every comfort you've always wanted. Now that you can picture this doorway, picture yourself standing at the doorway of your future, the version of you who has already achieved everything you desire. He's standing there waiting, strong, certain, wealthy in every sense of the word. Look at him carefully. See how he carries himself. Notice how his energy fills the space. Notice how his presence commands respect. This is you, not some distant version of you. This is who you are becoming with every decision, every step, and every breath. Step forward and feel yourself merging with that version of you. The confidence, the abundance, the unshakable belief in your own success. Let these words anchor in that truth for you. Repeat after me in your mind, out loud, or just listen and let it sink in. I am aligned with success, and it flows to me effortlessly. I attract wealth, opportunity, and abundance with ease. I am worthy of financial freedom, success, and fulfillment. Everything I need is already within me. I trust that my path is leading me exactly where I need to be. Let that sink in. Let it all become part of you. You are no longer hoping for success. You are realigned with it. It's always within you. Take another deep breath and really feel that certainty settle into you. You no longer need to force anything to happen. You're already in sync with everything meant for you. Don't forget to notice it. Look around and expect it to be there, and it will be. When you complete this relaxation, you'll move differently. You will speak with certainty. You will walk with quiet confidence. You will know that you are a magnet for success and abundance, and you will see it all come to you. Rest a little longer. Allow this energy to solidify within you. Feel it in your body, feel it in your mind, and feel it in your soul. When you're ready, open your eyes. Look around with a smile at the beautiful world you live in. Step forward into it and move through this world as a man who is fully aligned with everything he desires.